Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I am here to unbox the April 2022 Beauty Heroes box. I do not know what's in here. I don't know a brand. I don't know anything about the product, so I'm really excited. It came on April 1st, so that's when I'm filming it. It is actually like almost 9 o'clock at night, and I usually never film at this time, but this is how it's working out tonight. So my goal is to do a pretty simple unboxing and give the details and show you everything, but it's not going to be a long video. So I sometimes like to try to guess who it's going to be. So I do think they're going to have Nini Organics one of these times, or like Sahajan maybe, but I have no idea. There was no spoilers that I came across, so I'm excited. So let's just see what's in the box, okay? I love this moment so much. The first thing I see is we keep it simple. Oh, Natureofthings. All right, I do remember seeing their things. They had like a limited edition box from Natureofthings. And I never got it, and I thought it looked interesting. Interesting. So we have two products from Natureofthings. And it is the Cleansing Body and Scalp Polish. That's interesting, that's for body and scalp. And the Restorative Floral Bath. All right, let's check these out. Okay, so the Cleansing Body and Scalp Polish is 150 milliliters, $55 value. And it says, let's see. The Cleansing Body and Scalp Polish is skin's formula for a complete and effective detox and reset. Beautifully textured, gentle exfoliator for scalp and body. Is crafted with forged by fire Moroccan Rasoul lava clay to draw out impurities and, and mineral-rich Himalayan salt and Jeju volcanic ash to exfoliate and detoxify. With a wealth of botanicals, including organic lavender, geranium, and grapefruit peel, the multi-benefit formula deeply conditions while it cleanses, helped by nourishing argan and olive oils that soften skin and add shine to hair. An infusion of Ceylon cinnamon oil encourages circulation and delivers antioxidant properties to fend off bacteria and buildup, encouraging healthy skin from head to toe and creating a prime environment for hair to bloom. Okay, so this is the Cleansing Body and Scalp Polish. I've never tried anything from this brand. That's what the packaging looks like. Wonder if it's one of those you have to pierce open. Hold on, I just dropped the topper. The top. Oh no, it doesn't need it. Okay, never mind. So let's sample this. Ooh, interesting smell. Ooh, it's definitely gritty. Ooh. Yeah, gritty. Interesting scent, kind of makes me think of a spa. That's the grit. You can see that. And the lighting is not the best because it's the evening, so I put it, whatever. Yeah, so this is interesting. The superpower ingredients in the Cleansing Body and Scalp Polish are Moroccan Rasoul lava clay, Fuller's earth clay, grapefruit peel essential oil, Ceylon cinnamon, Jeju volcanic ash, and Himalayan salt. That'll be fun to try. I have the Innersense scalp scrub, and I maybe used half of it, and it's already a year old. So I do have a current scalp exfoliator and a body exfoliator, but this is kind of fun. This is different than a lot of the things we've gotten in the boxes. And I do like the fact that it's scalp and body exfoliator versus maybe for the face, because we get so many skincare products, which I love, but I also have a large inventory of skincare products. So it's fun to get something that is not for the face. So that's cool. The next product is the Restorative Floral Bath. which is 110 milliliters for $85. It's a lush bath milk, metamorphosis for mind and skin, immersing senses in a heady bouquet of scintillating, I forgot how to say that, plumeria, grounding vetiver, and uplifting jasmine, and enveloping skin in velvety shea butter and green tea oil to nourish and replenish the moisture barrier with every soak. Gemstone extracts from malachite and quartz, revered for their energizing properties, clear and revive the mind and soothe the nervous system. Broad spectrum hemp seed oil, including CBD, combines with hops extract, an herb known to boost the love hormone, oxytocin, for an entourage effect of total relaxation for both body and mind. A dose of capsicum pepper works to penetrate and soothe muscles, easing anxiety and relieving ache and tension. Active mineral-rich seawater provides a gentle detoxification and support for inflammation. One soak in Restorative Floral Bath can achieve a total recalibration for body, skin, mind, and spirit. Pour for 7 seconds into your full bath, or a smaller amount to create an evening foot soak. Alternatively, layer a small amount to drench skin right out of the shower before drying. Inhale deeply. Your entire being will thank you. Oh, so you can, lather a small amount to drench skin right out of the shower before drying. So you could use it as like a body oil, I think, if I'm understanding that correctly. It's interesting. I'm gonna definitely have to learn about that because, yeah, they said, alternatively, lather a small amount to drench skin right out of the shower before drying. So that's kind of cool if you could just use it as a body oil. I thought their packaging looked really cool when I saw it. It looks very like stone and stuff, like very simple, like elegant kind of. Interesting. And I think it is stone with like a plastic cap. Oh my gosh, can I open it? Yeah. Yeah, I do smell like a little jasmine. It says plumeria, vetiver, and uplifting jasmine. It smells really nice, like pretty florals, not like suffocating florals. Like when I think of jasmine now, I think of the Lil Fox Marshmallow Poof Facial Moisturizer, which is Jasmine grandiflorum, and it's like, I personally think that product is like, the floral scent is like suffocating on it, whereas this is like nice. I like this. I'm definitely interested to learn about its use as not only a milk, like a bath product, like a milk bath product, but also something that you could like just put on your skin after. I think that's kind of fun. Yeah, so that's cool. I guess I can show you a little bit. I don't want to pour a lot of it out, so let's see. There we go. I like the smell. Yeah, it kind of feels like a lotion. It's definitely floral. I can smell like, I can definitely smell flowers. Nice. This is exciting. This is cool. You know, I have to say my first impressions were, I noticed that this limited edition box came out, maybe it came out like, if I could remember correctly, like November 2021 or so. Maybe I'm totally wrong, but it was definitely in the last 6 months. And I remember thinking it was interesting, but you know, I was trying to stop my buying, or maybe it was in 2022 when I was really not buying, I don't know. And then I noticed that the limited edition box went on sale pretty recently. So when I first saw these products, I was like, that's weird. They seemed to be discounting things to sell those boxes. So I was kind of surprised when I saw this, almost as if I had this thought like they decided to put these in the box because they couldn't sell them. But that couldn't be the case, because I'm sure they have like a plan for the entire year of like what boxes they're doing, like for every month. I would imagine, you know, like it's a big collaboration. And so maybe they were just trying to sell off the older products, and that's why they were discounted, you know, from like a limited edition box. Anyways, so initially I had like some mental processing. Now my like thoughts are just cool. I've never tried this brand. Sorry, I had to like, my battery message pops up sometimes, so I have to click it. my thoughts are like, cool, never tried the brand, and I've never, well, so like we haven't gotten any type of body or scalp polish from them since I joined in July, I don't think. And then a bath product, that's cool. And it's kind of nice too because I don't need to adjust my like skincare routine. Normally, and of course I love it, but normally I'm like getting skincare products, so I'm rotating out what I'm currently using and plugging in whatever's for that month. With these products, I don't have to alter my skincare routine at all because this is for like scalp and body exfoliation and then bath product. So that's fun. It's just different and I like it, so I'm excited. They do a great job with these boxes. So the Restorative Bath product, the Floral Bath, is $85 value, and the Cleansing Body and Scalp Polish is $55. So I think we're at $140 if my math is correct. So that's cool. And then in the back they go into like the nature of things and about the brand and stuff like that, which is always interesting to learn more about them. I love the Instagram kind of like videos and stuff they have throughout the month that Beauty Heroes has with like the founders, and how they send out information and email throughout the month like a few times, and how they focus on like the brand and the products throughout the month on Instagram as well. I think it's awesome. It keeps me engaged the whole month and like gets me excited to like get to know the products better and about the brand itself. One thing I forgot to tell you was the superpower ingredients in the Restorative Floral Bath are resveratrol, milk thistle, malachite extract, hops extract, broad spectrum hemp seed oil, and capsicum. It's kind of fun too that it has like CBD. I've never used a CBD product in the bath, so it'd be cool to see if it helps me like zen out. Anyways, yes, so I'm gonna keep it short. That is the unboxing for April 2022 featuring Natureofthings. Like I said, a brand I've never used and products I've definitely never used, of course. I would love to know your thoughts on this box if you received it as well, or just what you think and what you think of these products. So I will definitely be trying them out throughout the month, and I'll follow up at the end of April with my thoughts on them. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted from when the next video comes out. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.